Thing right up in the front, especially my schedule. You know, I keep it on 3 strips and I break the day up, and most of my kids follow it pretty well. Some of my kids, like in my other posts, need something very simple, like a first then board. And I kind of made this one my own. I combined a token board and a first then board because he wasn't understanding why his rewards weren't immediate. So we put stars in the boxes, so he knows whenever he gets 5 stars, he gets, well, we use Teach Town, and that is his reward. I also like having our token board and such for the class on the board. You know, we get checks as the day goes on. Today was not a very good day. I have one of my social stories for appropriate behavior. It's more like a procedure card that I just kind of made. I keep them on my lanyard too. Just simple stuff that, you know, you're tired of telling kids, and just